Did you know that millions of Muslims around the world try to live their daily lives by following the Sunnah? But what exactly is Sunnah? And why is it so important in Islam? Today, we will explain what Sunnah is, in simple English, step by step. What does Sunnah mean? The word Sunnah comes from Arabic, and it means a path, a way, or a practice. In Islam, Sunnah refers to the way of life of Prophet Muhammad. It includes what the Prophet said, what he did, what he approved of. In simple words, Sunnah is how the Prophet lived his life. Difference between Qur'an and Sunnah. The Qur'an is the word of Allah. The Sunnah explains how to live according to the Qur'an. For example, the Qur'an tells us to pray. The Sunnah shows us how to pray. Without the Sunnah, many Islamic teachings would be incomplete or unclear. Where do we learn the Sunnah from? We learn the Sunnah mainly from Hadith. Hadith are reports that describe the sayings of the Prophet, his actions, his character. Authentic Hadith are collected in trusted books such as Sahih Bukhari, Sahih Muslim, Riyadh as-Salihin. Islamic scholars carefully check these hadith to make sure they are authentic and reliable. Why is Sunnah important? Allah tells us in the Quran to follow the Messenger. The Sunnah teaches us how to worship Allah properly, how to treat others with kindness, how to behave with patience and honesty, how to live a balanced and meaningful life. The Prophet Muhammad was sent as a living example for humanity. Sunnah in daily life. Sunnah is not only about worship. It includes simple daily actions like smiling, greeting others with peace, eating with good manners, being gentle and forgiving, caring for family, neighbors, and animals. Following the Sunnah helps us become better people, not just better worshippers. So, Sunnah is the path of Prophet Muhammad. It teaches us how to live Islam, not just how to talk about it. By learning and following the Sunnah, we walk a path of mercy, wisdom, good character. If you want to learn the Sunnah in simple English, subscribe to Path of the Sunnah. Together, let us walk the path of the Sunnah.